by harnessing the power of mushrooms that have been around for eons, it can help give us that energy to push yourself a little past your limits, to do those extra reps at the gym, to have that uncomfortable conversation but stay in your heart center, to go through these uncomfortable situations. They also help create new pathways in your brain so that it's giving your mind and your body a different way to approach something in a more natural state. So we can help ourselves face these uncomfortable situations, and the more we face these uncomfortable situations, the more prepared we'll be for life in general.